Welcome to 2020 Open House. My name is John Philbrandt, and I am your son or daughter's Algebra 2 or trigonometry teacher. With me today is Mrs. Elias.
Hi.
Mrs. Elias is a student teacher from Wayne State University, and you should already know that because you've signed the letter saying that Mrs. Elias can use recordings of our class for her classroom purposes at Wayne. They are not published, they are not public, but they are there for her to use as part of her student teaching coursework. This is our classroom, and it's all set up and ready for your son or daughter to return. We are looking forward to that day. Until then, we are making the best of an online education. In the directory with this video link, you will see a document that goes over what's going to be covered in each course. For Algebra 2, we are covering polynomials right now. We'll be finishing up the semester with quadratics and rationals, possibly matrices if there are time. For trigonometry, we are covering trig first semester, which includes trig functions, acute angles and right triangles, radians and circular functions, graphs of circular functions, the trig identities and equations, and their application. Second semester, just so you know, the trig course switches over to a pre-calc course, and so they'll have a new book and a new set of objectives at that point in time. Ways we are encouraging you to help your child be successful is help them be present on time and on time every day in class or online. Help reduce the outside distractions. This is important, especially when they're at home. We will help do that when they're here, but if you can help at home, that would be great. Make sure they're organized in some way. I have a 3-ring binder listed, but they can choose whatever method of organization they want. They are juniors and seniors, almost all of them, and so at this point they should be adopting the method that best fits them in terms of their organization. Make sure that they are utilizing all the resources on Schoology, including office hours. Mrs. Elias is doing the office hours currently, so make sure they're utilizing that. When we are back in person, we will have more resources on as well, and if they need anything, we can always provide additional resource. And for the last recommendation is to stay up to date with our parent portal. The two most important rules in our class is no hate, and when they're here, no phones, so that they don't have those distractions. At home, I know it's going to be harder to keep the phones out of their hands during the class time, but anything you can do again to help reduce distractions would be great. On behalf of Mrs. Elias and myself, we are happy to have welcomed you into our classroom for this semester. And if you have any questions, feel free to email either of us. Both email addresses are in the attached letter. Thank you, and we hope you have a great day.